Can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, morning recovery. May you protect me from what I'm about to do. It's one of those kind of nights. Pray for me. She's from Cleveland, but she's a bingo. This chick is that a miniskirt? If it's a maxi, that's the shortest thing for a dress. Cincinnati. She said fuck off and threw a liquor at me. It's one of those kind of nights. If you wanna go hard tonight, well then the smoke and the bottle are on me.